So I made this exact cake back in 2021 for my birthday, and you can also check that out. So we are going to be making a very decadent chocolate cake, and with me here are my ingredients. From this corner I have some vinegar that will go along with some milk because I do not have the buttermilk. I have some vanilla essence, some cooking oil, some salt. I have some sugar. This is an egg, some cocoa powder, some self-raising flour. If you do not have the self-raising flour, you can use the all-purpose flour, then add some baking powder. I have my baking soda, and without further ado, let's get started. So this is such an easy recipe, and I forgot to mention that you'll also need some very hot boiling water, and I'm going to be introducing that in a few. So I'll start by mixing all my dry ingredients, and finally I'll go with a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to mix this till everything is well combined. I'll transfer this here. Then it's time to work on our wet ingredients. I'll add in some vinegar to my milk to form some buttermilk. So you can see this has already curdled up and it has also thickened. I'll set that aside. Then I'll measure 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then finally I'll go in with my water. Then I'm going to bake this in an oven preheating at 170 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. So for my frosting, I'm going to make some whipped cream that is coconut flavored, and with me here I have equal amounts of cold milk and some whipped cream powder. I'm also going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of some icing sugar. Then I'm going to go in with my coconut flavor.